Hello everyone, welcome to TechLabor channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install any apps on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now as we all know that for Android we have Play Store to download any apps, and for Windows we have the Microsoft Store, and in there you will find all the applications or apps that you need. So if you see this icon, which is the Microsoft Store icon, you can just click on it and the Microsoft Store will open up, or you can just go to the search box and then type in Store. You'll see Microsoft Store at the top. Click on it and the store will open up. Now from the left, click on Apps, and now if you scroll down, you will find a lot of applications that we use on our phones. If you don't see the application that you need, all you need to do is just go to the search box and then search for that application. So if I search for Spotify, and then here you can see the Spotify app, so I'll just click here, and now all I need to do now is click on install. It might also say get, so whatever it says get or install, you just click on that and that will start the downloading process, and then it will be installed as well. And the download is complete. Now you can just click on open and that will open up Spotify, as you can see here. Now if we go to our desktop, you can see that we don't see Spotify here, so all you need to do is just go to start and then search for Spotify. Here you can see the Spotify app. Now just right click on it and then click on pin to taskbar, and that will pin Spotify to the taskbar. And now if I close it, you can see that Spotify is here, and from here I can just click on it anytime and that will open up the application for me. And that is how you can download any app on your Windows computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.